Hi guys, Chef Jose Sorasole here and welcome to Dowell's 12 Days of Christmas Recipes. Masarap, madali at syempre, affordable. Kaya tara, lutuin na natin. Today, gagawa tayo ng classic Pinoy dish with a creamy twist. Ang creamy adobo coconut pork medallions. Parang adobo meets Bicol Express, rich, savory, at syempre perfect sa kanin at syempre mas madali with Dowell IC25TC induction cooker. Okay, so our first step, seasoning our pork medallions with some salt and pepper. Now to add a bit of oil. Okay, now time to sear our pork. At syempre with my Dowell IC25TC induction cooker, mabilis uminit, consistent ang temperature, at tipid sa kuryente, kaya perfect for quick and even searing. Okay, now time to add our garlic. Classic adobo ingredients. One of the first. After the garlic, now to add our soy sauce. We'll be adding, of course, our vinegar as well. And then, patignan natin. And, of course, dahon na.
At syempre guys, very important reminder para hindi mawala ang classic adobo flavor, kaya natin siya mag-simmer.
Now naman, you can see it bubbling away, lower our heat. And now we can add our coconut milk. Ito yung twist na familiar na adobo pero naging luxurious coconut cream na parang Bicol Express.
And there you have it, creamy adobo coconut pork medallions, tender, flavorful, and rich. Perfect for family lunch or dinner.
Ang daling gawin pero parang restaurant ang dating. Lalo na with Dowell IC25TC induction cooker, reliable, energy efficient, at perfect partner sa kusina. Ako si Chef Jose Sorasole, wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and remember, life's easier, mas masarap with Dowell.